So here I would like to share my screen with you guys. Like this is my LinkedIn profile, and here as you can see that I have worked. I have mentioned here at first that I have internship experience at Policy Bazaar at the role of data analyst training, and then I mentioned about ISCOI Business School, my PGPN college, and you can see I have the total of 210 connections. And if I talk about the here is my about, like a brief about me, what I want from my career and what I'm looking forward to. And here you can see my experience and education and skills. Here I've mentioned the different skills that can help the employer to uh, know about me, to look for the skills if I match the profile. And if I could show you my activities, here are some, like here all the activities, like where I have liked or commented. So here we can see these, and here are the posts I posted. So this is a post of a webinar I attended, and so all these posts I have shared through my LinkedIn profile. Now I would like to show you my few connections. So I want to show you the profile of Harsh Gotmani. He is my friend from my graduation college, Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Deemed University. So he currently works at the role of analyst in AXA division, and he showed his experience and his interests also. I don't think he is so active at this at LinkedIn, so I would like to share another profile with you. Um, so my another, she is my friend from ISPI B school. So she's Navleen Bhatia. So she's also new to LinkedIn, and I don't think she's also so active. But yeah, she also showed her experience, and here are some of her interests. So now I would like to another profile, if I can share, is of Jas Gulati. He is my friend from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Deemed University. He worked at the role of assurance assistant at KPMG India. So this is his profile. So that's it from my side.